Hello everyone, my name is María Jesús Marin. I am a CEMS applicant, and today I'm going to explain how will climate change affect globalization and international business during the next 10 years. First of all, I believe it is important to remember what globalization is. Globalization is the interconnection and dependence of different countries of the world on social, political, technological, and economic levels. This dependence has brought with it good things and bad things. But today we will focus on a global problem that affects us all regardless of our condition, and that must be a priority: climate change. Everybody understands that climate change is bad, but not everybody is clear about the consequences it brings. It is important to understand that our planet is nothing more than a large ecosystem, and by living in a globalized world, what happens in one place can have a great impact on another place. Natural resources such as water, land, and even clean air are limited, and countries are currently struggling to use them. As the resources decrease, the prices will increase, and an even greater gap will be generated between rich countries and poor countries, where rich countries will have access to the resources of poorer countries. We have to remember that climate change is also a problem of inequality, and if we don't stop it, in 10 years, the world's poverty rates will increase. Another major problem that can already be observed today is the massive migration caused by climate change. This happens when the natural resources are depleted and the land becomes infertile. If the land is infertile, it cannot be cultivated. That means food cannot be produced, causing hunger and poverty. In order to escape this situation, people migrate looking for a more viable life. But there are other countries that must take care of thousands of new people looking for refuge, and this is a great responsibility and a difficult task. So it would not be rare if in a near future we witness conflicts caused by massive migrations caused by climate change. And therefore, consequences such as natural disasters, starvation, rising sea levels, and many more will be followed by conflicts between countries that will fight to protect the resources and to ensure that the use of other countries' resources does not affect them. There will also be a division between countries that will join agreements to stop global warming and others that will not. The latter will have to face consequences for the decision taken. This will certainly affect business. For example, we are already hearing today that some countries, leaders in sustainability, are refusing to do business and treaties with countries whose pollution indexes are very high. To avoid being left behind, the business world will have to make a big effort and follow a more sustainable path. This is a controversial issue, as many are concerned that the new way of doing business will be sustainable but not efficient. In other words, that it will negatively affect the economy. A very recent example of this is the fact that China and India have decided to change the commitment to eliminate the use of coal by reducing its use. While this is a valid concern, we also know that if we continue this way, climate change will be primarily responsible for impoverishing the planet, so we should not hesitate in trying to stop it as soon as possible. Business shall reduce greenhouse gases and promote the use of renewable energies. They shall also be concerned about maintaining a circular economy throughout all stages of production, including taking care of products when their useful life is over, so that they do not become in mere waste. Innovation seems to be a key factor and could be what saves our planet. Just as solar panels were created to replace electricity and the electric car in replacement of another far more contaminating option, companies and business need to invest in innovation. Rather than threatening with taxes for the use of pollution techniques, we need to promote the research for new and innovative solutions that can help save the planet and at the same time keep the economy running smoothly. Climate change is a global problem that affects us all, including the business world. We cannot hesitate. We need to take action now before it's too late. Thank you so much for listening and for this incredible opportunity. See you soon. Bye.